Today we will be going over a kneeling lunge. To begin, we'll be sure to have our 2 yoga blocks and rotate to come over onto your 4-point stance. Take the hands slightly in front of the shoulders and first begin here just a couple of shifts back and forth. Trying to keep a neutral spine here. Bring it back up to center. And then we'll start with that right leg, bend the knee, and bring the foot forward. Now check your position here. Make sure that the ankle is underneath the knee and that you're leaning forward. If this is challenging for you, or maybe you can't reach the floor very well, grab those blocks, bring the floor up to you. Wherever you are here, you can hold here, or even take your blocks on end to get into position. But just find this position, whatever feels best for you, and hold for a moment. You can walk those toes forward just a couple of scoots, and then begin to press those hips forward and back. Maybe just take this in and out for a moment, see how those hips are feeling, and just figure out what feels best for you, hands either all the way down on the floor or on those blocks. Good. Find that lunge position once again, whether you're on your blocks or on your hands, and continue to hold. If you'd like more of a stretch, more of a challenge, tuck the back toes and press to lengthen that leg out to a full lunge. And let those hips sink towards the floor, opening up the hip flexor here on the left side. Trying to keep the head in line with the spine, abdominals engaged. And then bend that knee back down. Bring the hands back to the floor. Send that leg back. Be sure to do this stretch on both sides and hold for several breaths. Great job, and I'll see you next time.